Section 1. Understanding the Enemy. Zhussupov's Guide for Defenders. Zhassulan Zhussupov's book, Malware Development for Ethical Hackers, is a new resource. It helps cybersecurity professionals learn how attackers create malicious software. The goal is to strengthen digital defenses. The book provides a unique, hands-on approach. Understanding threats deeply is key to stopping them. To fight malware, you must understand it. This means knowing how it is built. Ethical hackers can learn these dark arts for a good cause. Zhussupov guides readers through this complex field. He shows how to think like a malware author. This perspective is vital for building better security. Many books focus only on malware analysis or purely defensive measures. Zhussupov's work dives into actual development. It teaches the creation of various malware types. This knowledge helps anticipate attacker moves. The current digital landscape is very dangerous. Learning malware development is a proactive step. Zhussupov's book offers this essential knowledge for all defenders. Section 2. Inside the Attacker's Toolkit, Malware Mechanics Unveiled. The book covers many core malware topics, including injection attacks. Zhussupov explains methods like DLL injection and process hollowing. Readers learn how malware inserts itself into systems, aiding in detection. Evasion techniques are another major focus. The book discusses bypassing antivirus software and evading endpoint detection. Techniques like code obfuscation, polymorphism, and metamorphism are explained. Ethical hackers learn how to spot these tricks. Persistence is crucial for successful malware. The book explores various persistence mechanisms like modifying system startup registries. Creating scheduled tasks and rootkit-like behaviors are also discussed. Understanding these helps defenders find hidden malware and remove infections. Zhussupov also touches on other malware aspects like keyloggers and ransomware. The book explains how command and control servers operate. These examples show the breadth of topics. Ethical hackers gain a wide view of threats. This allows for more comprehensive defense strategies. The book provides deep insight for protectors. It is a timely guide for all defenders. Section 3. The Ethical Tightrope. Wielding Dark Knowledge for Good. Zhussupov's book goes deep into technical details, showing how to write actual malware code. Readers learn about different programming languages like assembly, C, and Python. The book breaks down complex malware functions step by step. This technical depth is a core strength, providing true understanding of malware creation. However, the book stresses ethical use strongly. This knowledge is powerful and potentially dangerous. Zhussupov constantly reminds readers of this fact. He emphasizes using these skills responsibly. The information is for learning and defense only. It is not for any illegal or harmful acts. This ethical framing is very important. It guides readers on the correct path. Ethical hackers work to improve security by testing systems to find weaknesses. Understanding malware helps them do this better. They can simulate realistic attacker behaviors. The book helps them build these simulations for research and educational purposes. Zhussupov includes clear warnings and disclaimers about misuse. The focus remains on defensive applications within legal frameworks. Section 4. From Theory to Defense. Practical Skills for Cybersecurity. Real-world examples and practical exercises fill Zhussupov's book. These elements help readers learn effectively and apply the concepts they study. Building sample malware codifies understanding. Testing it in safe lab environments is key. This hands-on approach is very valuable. It turns theoretical knowledge into practical skill. The book helps defenders think like attackers. This change in mindset is crucial. Security professionals often focus on defense tools. Understanding offense reveals new blind spots. They can anticipate how attackers might strike. This allows for more proactive security measures. It moves beyond just reacting to incidents. Defenders can better predict and prevent attacks. Ethical hackers gain several key abilities like analyzing sophisticated malware. Ethical hackers also develop custom tools. This knowledge directly improves cybersecurity practices. Zhussupov equips readers with vital knowledge. The book is a valuable asset for defenders, helping them protect systems proactively. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment for more videos.